So guys, one here in our old chuck brake drum. See? So 3 hole and they are too long, we can't get in it. And because we say we want the bees them, in which we know some bees go left still, you know. So then goodly create one next colony inside here same way. You understand? So we will take 70 or the 80% of bees with the queen where we catch right here. So all of them bees here are outside right now. We will carry them home with we. We'll put them in one of the bucket swarm trap, bring them home, pull 2 frame of brood and drop in a one box and send them on their way. Yes? That's what we want to do here now, guys. So we can't get to the honeycomb them inside. And honey inside of here, you know, guys. Yeah man, honey inside of here, so you have a whole line here so for themselves. Honey in there. But if a comb, but we just can't get in there, guys. All iron, you know, so you know when you're there one place for a long while and get rusty, you know, easy to pull. So that is it, guys. Try a thing for the next removal, you know. And this is how I think this is the 3rd one for you there, guys. Yes?